Good morning, everyone. I would like to show you how I create my design for my mobile apps. For example, if I want to create a mobile apps, I need an icon for it. I need a splash screen for it. I need a feature graphics so that I can be able to publish it on Play Store. And that depends on the kind of application you are developing. If it is an app application, now you have so many graphics you have to do. If it is an any application, um something like a Bitcoin application, so there are some UI design that you have to do. But in this particular one, I just want to show you how I create my app icon, the feature graphics, and the splash screen in just 5 minutes. Okay, so now I have a design already. This design was done in my last video. I did this design in my last video. If you check through my videos, you will see how I did this. You will see how I actually created this logo. So now this one has been done already. So I don't want it to, let me just put it this way, I don't want to change anything. But if you want to change something, you can just remove the name. You can remove the name. For me, I would prefer removing the name, so I'll just increase this. Alright, so did you see that? And if you want to go back, so I'll go back to what I want. Alright, so now let me download this now. So for a normal logo, it is required to have a size of 512 by 512. That's a normal Play Store requirement, 512 by 512, and this is applicable to many of the app stores. So now I have downloaded the logo icon. So now I have an application I want you to install. It is called Logopitplus. I have been using this application for the past 3 years. And if not even more, Logopitplus. This is what I have been using most times. Even if I want to create any design, I use this. If I want to change the size, I use this. So click on create new, click on logo, so you can see you can change the dimension of your logos or your design. This is LinkedIn banner, Facebook event cover. I will still use this one. Device wallpaper, I'm still coming to this one. This is what I'm going to use for the splash screen. So now for the logo, let's go to this place. Then you click on camera icon here. As a camera icon, you click on add picture. Go to gallery. Alright, so this is the icon. Click on this. Okay, so you can increase it or leave it like this. Anyhow you want it. Is white background on white background. So that's why I normally prefer to use white background for whatever design I'm doing, so that it should be very easy to edit, because most of all these applications, they use white background. So if I use white background, then I'll be able to put it on a white background so that nothing will show. Do you understand? Even I use red background now, red will be covered all over here, then white will be here. So if red is covered all over here, I can just increase it like this so that it will cover up for it. But now that I'm using white background, I'll just leave it like this. It's okay this way. You can increase the sharpness, click on filters, make it sharp. Alright, a little bit. Those are the things you can also do here. Camera. So brightness, can you increase the brightness also? So I will reduce this back. Is back to 0. Okay, I hope you can see that here. 15, 16 is decreased, right? So you can, I will reduce it back to 0 so that it doesn't have any effect. And buzz, so but I don't want to put any filter there, just click on no filter. Then you cancel it here. Click on this place, click on this place, click on this place. This place you should make it more bolder, but I don't want that. I don't want that at all. Click on this place. Click on this place. Those ones are also useful if you want to turn it around. I'm going to do it this way. They're also useful. This one up. They're also useful. This one rotate. So I think I should just rotate it this way. I prefer this way. 3D. This one you have to pay for this one. It's a premium service. This one you increase. This one you reduce the transparency or increase it. So all these forward, up, down, backward button, you can use it to shift it if you want to shift up and down. Alright, so this one too is useful. You can see that at 0. So this one will increase this thing. I showed you that already. So all those things are useful. So now we are done with the logo. So you have to download this now. You come down to this place, you can change it. You can see what I'm saying. Background to red. Adibin, this is red background now, and this is white background. I can just change it to red background so it will blend up. Now this is white background, change it back to white background. So you can also do something. You can load color, save color, change color. So now let's assume I'm changing this to red background. So I can just click on this and then I click on save color. So if you want to use it for another particular design, then you can use it to, you can just click on load the color, so it will load up automatically on it. You can see. So and also if you have a design on Canva and you don't know the exact color, you copy out the color from Canva. Let me show you if I can see this or quickly do this. The network is kind of bad, so alright, we are back to Canva. So I want us to know how to copy color codes. This is color red. You click on color, you click on this plus icon here. This is the color code hash FF16. So you copy the color code here. I don't want us to copy everything all together. Copy, yes, copy. Go back to your Logopitplus. Then to load the logo, you click on or change color. You click on this. This is the color code, right? So you paste your own code here. So it will automatically generate the code. So I can see that. Alright, did you see that is the same color with this, but I would remove it because I don't want. So let's continue. Those things too. they have what they are doing. You can see. So I've actually made these just as professional as it is always is on Play Store. It's always many logos always be on circle. You can see. So this is another option. Okay. I'll turn it now again. So alright. Okay, so now let's download our application. Click on this place. If you want it to be on JPG, click on this. If you want it to be on download PNG, click on this. I want to off my data because of the advert that will come up now. Alright, so you know that download PNG is meant for transparent background. So this one will only work well if you create your logo on this particular application. So if you click on download PNG, any place, anywhere you upload your logo or icon, it will blend up with the background color. So it will only be red color like this. It will only be red color like this. So if you put it on green background, it will blend up. It will not show white. If you put it on purple background, it will not show white. It will show only red. So it will blend up on it. So if it is JPG, it will not blend up. It will show red and it will show white background. So if you put it on probably a purple background, it will not really blend up. It will look so odd. I hope you understand. So now let's download it. Click on download JPG. Then you can change the name. Let me change the name to also plug. Alright, so your size, you click on custom size. Come here, click on this and press 512. Click on download. So I've downloaded the JPG. The JPG has been downloaded. So now let's go to the feature graphics. So now just come to this place, this top right menu, click on this place, click on Canva size. Then you change the size to the required one on Google Play Store is 1024 by 500. 1024 by 500. That's the custom, that's the required size for a feature graphics on Google Play Store. It is also applicable to other app stores. So click on resize canvas. So you can see that this has been resized. Everything has changed. So I want us to change this back. So I want to change this back. Okay, it's not here. Alright, so we can see now this is the feature graphics. You can see that it's blending up all together. So this is it now. This is the feature graphics now. So this is how it should look like. So click on save, download. So you can see the size has been there already. I put the size there already. So you can edit the name once again. Click on download. So now let's go to the splash screen. After you open an app and you see an image that comes up, just like the one that came up when we opened this app, that's they wrote Logopitplus. That's what we call a splash screen. So now if you want to do that, click on this place, click on create new. So click on device wallpaper. You know, wallpaper always cover phone screen and everything. So now you just click on this camera icon here, then you add the picture. You add the JPG file, the picture that we just downloaded. Click on this. I don't want to use this. Let me use another one. Let me use the normal one we downloaded from Canva. Alright, so click on this place. Then you can add the name if you want. You can put your text name there. Then you write Ozu. Click on Ozu. Our text is on black background before, right? So you can change the font size and everything. I think I'm okay with that font size. So you can do other things, increase it, make it bold. You can also make it bold. If you want to make it bold, just click on bold. If you want to italize, click on this, bold. Alright, so because of our time, let's continue. So I will duplicate this also, then I'll put plug. I will duplicate it and then add another one, which is plug. Alright, so now this one, now we have to change the color back to black. Black color, this is it. Drag it down, black color. Then this, I will change it to red. So now this is where this is what I explained the other time. Had it been when I loaded up the color, I click on save color, it will be very easier for me. So let's say save now, load color. Okay, it is here already. Select this. It is here already. So click on put it here. This one change it so it will look alright. So this is it. So you can just put this up, bring this up, bring this up. So alright. Okay. So you can do this with your smartphone. You don't need a laptop, or you need to download a Corel Draw. So now just click on save, then you download your JPG. So that's your splash screen, right? That's your what? Your splash screen. Let me just put it here. Also plug splash screen. So if I have an application now, I have all the graphics ready for publishing. So this is it. Click on save, download. When you download it, then that's all. So this is how you can do it. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share and comment. If you need any help, message me on 08054703188. Thank you for watching.